For this raspberry sorbet, you will need raspberries, sugar, water, glucose powder, and a sorbet stabilizer. Pour the water in a saucepan, add the sugar and then the glucose powder and mix. Today I would like to show you how professional ice cream makers are obtaining an amazing velvet texture in their sorbet. Well, they use different sugars that prevent the formation of crystals and also give a lot of creaminess in the mouth. When using the Ninja Creami, you get an excellent texture without having to use these professional ingredients, but you have to eat the ice cream or sorbet in the next hours. With those professional ingredients, you can stabilize the texture in your freezer for weeks. Warm the syrup until it starts to boil. When the syrup has cooled down, add the stabilizer. The stabilizer I chose is vegan and made out of cellulose, a fiber, and dextrose, a sugar. Then add the raspberries. I waited for the syrup to cool down because I didn't want the raspberries to cook. The sorbet stabilizer I have chosen can be used in hot or cold preparations. If you are interested, you will find the links to these professional ingredients in the comments. Blend the sorbet mix and then pour it in a sieve in order to remove the seeds. Pour the preparation into the Ninja Creami pint and store in the freezer for at least 24 hours. The next day, take the pint out of the freezer and lock it in the Ninja Creami. Use the sorbet program. Here is the texture I am obtaining. When we filmed this recipe, the weather was very hot. Actually, I could have put the sorbet back in the freezer half an hour before serving, but I couldn't resist. This sorbet is really delicious. You can find the recipe on our blog, where I also show you how to make it with only regular sugar. I hope you liked this recipe, and I'll see you next week.